Hey, how's it going? Chuck here, Sound Survival Tactics. And in this video, I'm continuing the basics of Muay Thai. Real quick, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, get notified of future videos, and let's get into it. So, for the Muay Thai stance, you want your feet shoulder width apart. Your rear leg is going to be your dominant side. So, for a majority of people, that is your right hand. So you want your right leg to be your rear. Step forward just a little bit with your left foot. And for a visual, you can look down and you want, say, your toes of your rear to be kind of in line with your heel here, shoulder width apart. And then your rear leg, you want it out about 45 degrees, right here. And next, come up on the balls of your feet, your toes, not too high so where you fall over, but nice and balanced right here on the balls of your feet. You try this out, you get a good feel for this. Marching around here is what we call marching. Okay? Forward, back, left, right. Get a nice feel for that. Next, you can add in your guard. So for the guard, stick your arms up like this, bring them back towards your cheeks. You want them covering your cheeks here. Your jabbing hand, for me it's my left, is going to be forward just a little bit. Your rear hand, a good rule is to have it close enough to where your thumb can touch your cheek, give you a nice tight cover. Okay? So try that marching again with your guard now. Okay? You want to kind of engage your core, curl over just a little bit. Try that marching out with the guard. Next, we're going to throw in punch. So for the jab with the punches. You need to cover range real quick. We're doing this from a 2 arms length distance. If you can imagine your arms out straight, your partner's or opponent's arms out straight, okay? That is 2 arms length distance and a range where neither person can hit the other person. So in order to close that range, you have to step, right? So with that, we're going to be stepping with every punch. Step and back, step and back, okay? So let's try it first with the jab. We're going to step, jab comes straight out and back, straight out and back. You can also, for a little extra range, right at the end here, turn that over and back, just making sure that you're bringing it right back. Don't leave it out there, you're leaving all that exposed. So right back, step, back, here, back, or here and back, okay? Right back to your cover. So you can speed it up a little bit, making sure you're stepping and back. So you probably just saw that my elbow kind of kicked out a little bit. That's exactly what you don't want to do. Okay? You don't want to start doing this. Okay? You want straight out, back, straight out, or here. Oh, don't kick the elbow out like that. Just right down that line, back, boom. Okay. Now for the cross, you can do the same thing. Boom, straight out, back, right? Out, back. So jab, cross, back. Go slow here. Step, jab, cross, back. All right. So speed it up a little bit. Step cross, back. Step cross. Step cross. Cross. All right. You're gonna start getting a little cardio in here. This is a great thing to do for some cardio. And then once you bring in the kicks, it really kicks it up another notch. So review real quick. Muay Thai stance. Feet shoulder width apart. Dominant side is going to be your rear. I'm going to step forward, small step with your other side. Okay, up on the balls of your feet, your toes. Try marching around, moving around a little bit. Get that nice stable mobility. Throw on your guard, nice and tucked. Okay, throwing the punches with the step, back, boom, boom, back, boom, boom, back. All right, try it out. Let me know what you think. Give it a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe for future videos. Share it out, and take care. We'll see you on the next one.